Welcome back to Shocktails. I'm Pat, your host from Shaken and Stirred Bartending, and thank you to the Wichita State Alumni Association for hosting Shocktails. Well, the Super Bowl's coming up, and our Kansas City Chiefs are once again in the limelight. So today's drink is the Chief Mahomes. The Chief Mahomes is a simple cocktail, but it's quite tasty, and the color goes right along with our Kansas City Chiefs. We're going to be using some Crown Royal, some amaretto. I always love to use Gozio as my amaretto. We have some cranberry juice, and then we're just going to do a little bit of lime, about a half ounce of lime juice, which, as you remember, we always like fresh lime juice, and if you squeeze out half or 2/4 of a normal sized lime, you're going to get that half ounce that you need. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill our cocktail shaker with a little bit of ice. Then we're going to go ahead and put in 1.5 ounces of Crown Royal. Then we'll put in 1/2 ounce of amaretto. Put our 5 ounces of cranberry juice in. Squeeze our 2/4 of lime. And then go ahead and give it a good shake. All right, we'll then go ahead and fill up our glass with some ice. Strain our cocktail into it. And then we're gonna finish it off by garnishing it with 3 raspberries. You can use 1, but remember, never use an even number of garnishes. That's unlucky. There you have the Chief Mahomes. Thanks for joining us for another great edition of Shocktails, and thank you to the Wichita State Alumni Association for putting Shocktails together. Shaken and Stirred Bartending are now running mixology classes. It's a fun evening where you get to learn how to make maybe 2 or 3 different drinks, great to have with a small group of friends or maybe even a slightly larger team. So give us a call, we'll tell you all about it. If you'd like to know more about Shaken and Stirred Bartending's other services, look us up on shakenandstirredbartending.com or on Facebook. Give us a call. We love talking to our customers. So until then, and especially for the Super Bowl and in the words of Andy, how about those Chiefs?